gold against US dollar yesterday has created a bullish breakout, and we can see this breakout was a very strong one because of the 3 days before that the price could not find any way out, going outside of this small indecision range area where the price was prevented from moving to the upper side with a strong confluence of resistance. And we can see after 3 days the price finally find its way out, and this breakout was a strong one where the price has gone all the way to 2356.22. This resistance level 2329.13 was broken on a daily basis, and we can see the price has reached very close to this one, 2365.04. So for now we can see the price managed to find its way out, but what is very important is the same scenario like in this example here, where the price has managed to move up, reach this resistance area, this supply zone right here where the confluence of resistance is, and then the price started to move down, formed a strong bearish engulfing candle. This was on a Friday if I remember correctly. And currently we have a breakout on a Wednesday, which means we have Thursday and Friday still until the week closes. What is the difference between these two breakouts is that this price has reached here a confluence of resistance. In this case, the price has gone outside of the confluence, so we have currently only a supply zone here, which is a strong one, but not strong as this one here. So there is a potential way that the price could move high on the higher price levels. So for now, will the price continue to rise in value or it will drop down? For now, I am thinking, it is what is currently how it is looks. I'm open to see the price to see on higher price levels, and at least what are the next level will be around this one here, which is the next level that the price needs to break around 2362. We can see that. And the next target will be around this area here, around 2370, and above that is this one here, 2376. So these are the levels I am expecting to see the price that will go up to reach at least, and then we'll see what happens. Will the price manage to reach again this area, which will be a monthly resistance, 2390.94. For the price in order to move down, I need to see the price closing the day below this one, which means 2352.41. This will be the first step, and this is the lower side of this supply zone that the price needs in order to close below that in order to return back down. So the next target will be around this one here, which will be 2345. All these levels should be broken on a 4-hour time frame and a 1-minute time frame, which you can see here. The price needs to go below those levels in order to trigger this sell-off or to lower levels. So whenever the breakout happens on the lower side, on the upper side here on the lower time frame, you can see that here. It will be shared inside the Telegram group with the traders. You can see that here. Whenever this happens, I share with them during the day at least one analysis, or if there is more breakout and also what are the targets, I will share with traders inside the Telegram group. So this is intraday analysis with the levels during the day, but for the daily analysis I have just explained what is possible and what are the levels. So whenever this breakout happens, you can also check that inside the Telegram group. The link will be below in the description if you would like to check that. So this is all for today. See you next day and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.